Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Champion t-shirts for men who need big and tall sizes. If you're looking for comfort, style, and quality all in one package, this 3-pack of Champion big and tall t-shirts might just be what you need. First off, let's talk about the fabric. These tees are made from 100% high-quality cotton, offering that classic softness and breathability that cotton lovers appreciate. The material feels durable yet comfortable, perfect for everyday wear, whether you're at home, running errands, or even working out. The fabric is imported, ensuring a consistent Champion standard that you can trust. The fit is designed specifically with bigger and taller men in mind. These shirts come with a full, roomy cut that allows for plenty of movement. The crewneck collar adds to the comfort by offering a non-restrictive fit around the neck, and the short sleeves are thoughtfully tailored to give you a wider range of motion. This makes them ideal for sports or any active lifestyle, but they also look great for casual wear. One of the standout features is the subtle yet stylish tonal embroidered Champion logo on the chest. It's a classic touch that adds to the relaxed, timeless look of the shirt without overpowering the design. So, if you prefer understated branding over loud graphics, this is a great choice. These t-shirts come in a variety of colors including black, red, and heather gray, allowing you to mix and match according to your style or mood. Whether you want something simple and classic or a bit more vibrant, the color options have you covered. Care is straightforward with these tees. They're machine washable and hold up well through repeated washes. You won't have to worry about them shrinking or losing their shape quickly, which is always a plus when investing in staple wardrobe pieces. The Champion big and tall t-shirts are also versatile. You can wear them alone in warm weather or layer them under a Champion hoodie or jacket when it's cooler. Their durability and quality make them suitable for customization too, like tie-dye projects if you want to add a personal touch. In terms of packaging and delivery, the product ships in a convenient 3-pack, providing great value for those who want a reliable set of tees without constantly shopping for replacements. To sum it up, if you're after a comfortable, well-made, and stylish big and tall t-shirt from a trusted brand, this Champion 3-pack hits all the marks. It combines premium cotton comfort with a fit designed for larger frames, and the embroidered logo adds that authentic touch. Whether for casual wear, exercise, or layering, these tees are a solid addition to any big and tall wardrobe. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in these Champion big and tall t-shirts, check the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.